Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Today I am going to be doing another at-home store dupe video for you all. That sign I was just showing you, I thought was so cute, but I thought I could make it for way less than $30. So I got this hanging sign from Dollar Tree and I am just giving it a coat of apple barrel candy apple paint that I got from Walmart. And I gave it about 2 coats. Then once I was done with that, I did dry brush it with a little bit of white because I wanted it to kind of have like a rustic kind of look. I tried to make it look as close to the original as possible, but I just wanted to use the stuff that I already had on hand. They do have some crates with like slats, not crates, pallets, like small pallets with slats, which probably would have been even closer to the original, but I already had this on hand, so I just decided to go with this.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So now I am going to use these galvanized metal letters that I got from Hobby Lobby. You can find letters similar at Dollar Tree, but I caught these on sale. So I just got the J and I got the Y. Now, I felt like they weren't going to be hard to glue down to the sign, so I just hot glued these wooden blocks that I got from Dollar Tree's crafting square. That way I would have something to glue the letters down to, and it worked out perfectly. Now it is time to create a little mini wreath. You can find mini wreaths in Hobby Lobby, but they were just too small for this sign. I couldn't really find one that was already made that was gonna be the right size, so I just decided to make one myself. I took a bunch of these pine stems that I got from Hobby Lobby, which you can also find at Dollar Tree. And I just wrapped them, I think I used about 4 altogether, and just wrapped them to make them thicker. And then I cut one stem down and just stuck them in here, just kind of make them look like branches, just so it looked more like a wreath. And then I picked apart a berry pick and hot glued them onto the wreath.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
So to make my wreath a little snowy, give it a little icy look, I took just a little bit of apple barrel acrylic paint and mixed it in with just a little bit of Mod Podge and lightly dabbed it onto the branches of my wreath, and then sprinkled it with a little bit of crystal clear glitter just to make it shine.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas.
I made this bow using some wired ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I am not the best bow maker, but this bow came out super cute. It's so easy to do. If you'd like to see how I did it, then let me know down below, or honestly you could just go and hit or type in bow making, easy bow making into the search bar, and a bunch of videos come up from professionals. But seriously, if I could make this bow, you absolutely can, because I am not that great at bows, but this one came out really cute.
A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
So I decided it needed a little more definition. So I took some Mod Podge and just kind of blotched it in random spots on the sign, and then sprinkled on some clear glitter just to make it look a bit more frosty. Make it look like it was kind of iced over. And I absolutely loved it after that. And then simply enough, I took some twine and made a hanger.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
That was it for this home goods dupe sign. Let me know what y'all think about it. I love how it turned out. Sometimes it's better to just DIY instead of buy. So, oh, that rhymed. Give it a try. If you see something you like but it costs a little too much, just try to make it yourself. Let me know what y'all think about this down in the comment section. And I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.